Alright, we're gonna try something new. I put together this mini scored, mini dom. This is a tenshock mini scored. I got a 2S 2200 battery in here. This is not the tenshock motor because I burnt it out. This is a 2835 X Team, the same motor that I run in the stock H17 hydroplanes. We'll try to see what this is gonna do and see if this battery will even last doing 10 ovals at 100 feet for Dr. Jet's 100 foot challenge, I think he's calling it. So from this filter right over here, or that concrete pad, the center of that concrete pad, to, I can't walk over there right now because they blocked it off, but there's another concrete pad. See these guys over here. There's another concrete pad right over here, about 20 feet from me. So there's another filter right over here, and then there's the other concrete pad, which is 100 feet. So from that concrete pad to that concrete pad is 100 feet, or from that filter to that concrete pad is 100 feet. So we'll try to do that. I have no buoys out here, but we'll just try to see if this thing can even last X amount of laps with this big prop. We'll check it out. All right, so I'll tape her up and then we'll throw her inside. I'll be honest, guys, the drive doesn't sound that good. I'm missing a bearing and it's old. So we'll do a quick warm-up lap. So again, I'm gonna stand right over here in between, and then we'll see. So just past that filter to that concrete pad over there, right over there past me to this concrete pad. So I'll try to sweep these turns over here because it's not as, because I have no buoy, but I'll try to hug this filter over here as the buoy. Well, I haven't run this boat in forever. So right there, we'll do another warm-up lap. And when we pull up over here, all right. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Oh, I missed the buoy. 7. 8. 9. 10. All right, we'll check that in the video, see how long that was, but we just missed that buoy on the inside. So we can try it one more time. All right, guys, center of both quote unquote buoys. All right, we'll give us one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, whoa. 7, 8, 9, 10. And we caught a bunch of shit in our turn fin. A feather, a pine cone needle. It was 2 attempts. 1, I would say disqualified for sure because I missed this. I cut the inside of this filter. We'll put the time down on this and then we'll check it out. All right, guys, good morning. Good morning. We're back over here at the sewer pond and we are going to try round 2 with Dr. Jet's 2S challenge. Today, I made myself a little buoy. I'll try to get this out. Hopefully it doesn't sink and hopefully we'll be able to see it still. We'll do a quick warm-up lap and then we'll hit the 10 laps. Got a 21, only one 2200 SM Ovonic 2S pack, and from our test yesterday, it's just enough to do the challenge. All right, so here's the boat. And what was that?
Oh, what's that then?
This is a retriever, yes.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. Like,
yeah. All right, guys, so here's the boat. We're running a 2835 XT motor, the tenshock ESC, stock timing, and we're going to throw in a 2200 pack right now. All right, guys, here is our 2200 7.4 pack. I'm not sure if that's even focusing. So we'll throw it in here. We're running the stock tenshock turn fin. This helps it cut very well to the right. And we're still running the same position on the Rob Warden left turn fin. All right, guys, so I'll tape her up real quick and then we'll throw her in. I haven't greased this drive since the other night. Doesn't sound that great. I told you that I haven't driven this boat in a really long time, and the last time I drove it was actually in the surf in the ocean, and the actual tenshock motor seized up with salt right afterwards, actually, right afterwards, pretty much by the time I got home, and the entire drive seized up. I was able to free up the drive, but there's still like a bunch of rust on it, so that's what you're hearing. All right, so there's our buoy right over there. Hopefully it doesn't sink, and then we'll try to grapple it in later. We'll do a quick lap, get these birds out of the way, and let's see. So I'll stand just a little further back so we'll get a nice shot of it. All right, here we go. Oh, power cutting. Why are we power cutting? Here's a quick warm-up. Whoa. It's not a quick warm-up. All right, here we go. First lap. Two. Oh, I'm not watching. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. All right. Ten laps. That's pretty much the battery. I think that was slower than yesterday, but we'll check the camera when we get back with the stopwatch. So we'll see how that goes, guys. So this was third attempt. I did 2 attempts yesterday. First attempt, I hit the buoy on the 7th or 8th lap. Second attempt, I actually made a full run, and it came out to about, I want to say, 1 minute and 19 seconds. We'll see what this is right now. All right, guys. So, Dr. Jet's challenge, that was pretty fun. For everybody that participated, good luck to everyone. I had a blast. Couple days getting this boat somewhat dialed in. I wish I would have had some new bearings for it, but it is what it is. We're running what we have. We're running a 3616. I believe this is a 16. It's a 3616 oxidean prop. It would run better if she had the better drive. My mini Dom actually has the better drive in it, but I didn't want to rob the ESC that I robbed out of the mini Dom into this yellow hydro over here, yellow H15. So I don't know, there's a few more days left on the challenge, so I might do that. I might put back the ESC into the mini Dom. We got 3 attempts on this 2S challenge, and like I said, I had a blast doing it, and I might come back with the mini Dom and try it again. But that's my entry with the tenshock mini scored, and that's it, guys. So see you next time.